welcome back to another video. So sorry it's been so long since we have filmed. Been super busy with this car, just like we said in the last video. But we're gonna get consistent again. But in today's video, Shine Armor was dope enough to send out their Perfection tire gel. Also pristine tire gel. So we're gonna film that, and
also they were kind enough to send us out the nano glass coating.
So we're gonna test those out today, give them an honest review on how the products are. All right, so the directions say to clean and dry surface before using tire gel. I already did that. I gave my car a nice wash earlier. They also say generously apply tire onto gel applicator. So I'm gonna do that right now. So the next step is to generously apply the gel like we had said. So I'm gonna put some gel on there, bam, okay. And then we're gonna spread the tire gel evenly onto the surface. So we're gonna go over here to the tire, and we're gonna evenly spread it on there, give her a nice little coating. We're gonna do that through the whole entire tire. And then it says to repeat the above steps for an increased level of gloss and shine. So let's see. Alright guys, so it actually does give it a little bit of a gloss. I like that. Definitely better than the spray stuff. If you ever use the spray stuff will like sling stuff back. I don't believe that this is going to, but we're gonna come around to the other side, give you guys a kind of like a before and after. There's like no gloss on this tire, like at all. There's nothing. It's just clean from washing the car earlier. But this side definitely has it. I don't really know if the camera's picking it up too well, but I definitely would recommend this stuff for anybody that wants to use that. So onto the nano glass coating. So they say when it rains, do your wipers leave streaks in just the wrong places? So this should get rid of streaks in the wrong places. But to use, you wash your car normally. Like I said, I already washed my car. Dry your windshield. Apply nano glass coating to half of the windshield at a time. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna apply it to the right side, the driver's side. Well, technically that's the left side, but driver's side. And then we're gonna get into it. So it says to apply in a circular motion, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply it to the half, obviously this half, and I don't know if I should spray it onto the car or onto the, yeah, so I'm gonna spray it onto the cloth and then a little bit onto the windshield, just because why not? I believe you're supposed to spray it onto the windshield though, so I'm gonna do little sections here. Alright, now for a second time, he wants you to take another clean cloth and go over all the surfaces one last time, buffing in circles, rubbing off the last residue. So we're going to do that. We're going to get everything good. And then I want to test this out. I'm going to throw some water at the windshield just to kind of like see what it really does. I mean, I can definitely see that it looks different than the other side a little bit from certain angles. I really don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but we're going to throw some water at it now. Alright guys, so I'm going to throw some water on it just to give it a kind of test, and I'm going to show you guys the other side, see if the other side beads up like this. Let's do it. Okay, yeah, that works great. That is, I don't know if you could tell, that beaded up amazingly and just went straight down the windshield. So we're going to go to the other side, throw some water on the other side, and we're going to see how good it really did. But that did do good. Yeah, no, the water came right off on the other side and everything beaded up, and then you could hit it with your windshield wiper. That concludes the video for the Shine Armor. I think the product is amazing. Trev, what do you think about it? Come here, Trev.
As you guys just seen, the product works super good, and it looks good.
I will say though, you do have to work the window cleaner or the window coat in a bit more than you would think so. Because we did it at first and it wasn't working amazing, and then we worked it in a little bit more and then it started working insane. I definitely say I've used like McGuire's or something like that. This is 100% better. Like I said in the last video, it's great. I definitely recommend it.
Also, when they say to use generously, you gotta be generous with it. So
yeah, definitely add a little bit, especially with the tire shine. You gotta be pretty generous with it. It does look amazing though. I definitely do recommend this product. So go down below and cop yourself some Shine Armor. Also, we'll catch you guys in the next video. We're about to go make more, so if I'm wearing the same outfit, that's why.
Big shot, everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get down. Living like this till my time's gone. And I'm in an infinite time zone. Everybody act like they some. Everybody talk like they some.